Hello everyone, welcome to how to browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to install screencast keys in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. This is Blender 3.4. So let's jump right into the video. What you have to do is to go to your browser, and here you just need to copy this link. I'll leave it in the description of this video. Copy and paste it here in the search bar, and then go to the release page. In the release page, click on this zip file, save it on your computer, and then go back to Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, and here click on Install, and here go to Desktop or where you saved the zip file and select the zip file, and then click on Install Add-on. Now here you should see Screencast keys. Please enable, and then after you enable it, what you have to do is just to click on X and restart Blender. And after you start Blender, please press on your keyboard N, and then here you should see this options, and here right at the last one you have screencast keys, expand and enable. Press here, check the screencast keys, and from here you can customize the font. Okay, that's too much. 20 mouse size. Let's move it to the bit here down, and that's how you install screencast keys in Blender. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.